Welcome to this quick demonstration showing you how HPS pigging systems work. Before a pigging sequence can take place, there needs to be product in the pipeline. Once the transfer sequence is complete, a trained pigging system operator can begin the pigging sequence from the HMI SCADA panel. The pigging sequence begins with the pig being automatically inserted into the line. HPS AccuTac's pig detectors provide a visual indication of when the pig has left the launch housing and begun pigging. The pig is propelled through the line at a high velocity, recovering up to 99.5% of residual product from the pipeline. The residual product is pushed by the pig to its destination. The pig then automatically returns through the pipeline to the launch housing. The AccuTac once again provides a visual demonstration of the pig's location by changing colour when it reaches the launch valve. And that's how an HPS pigging system works.